One of the most interesting things that broke into my house and was thankfully repaired. It's an antique wall clock that belonged to my great grandfather. It's a beautiful vintage wooden clock with Roman numerals and pendulum that swings back and forth. It has been hanging in our living room for decades and has a lot of sentimental value. About 6 months ago, I noticed that the ticking sound had stopped. At first, I thought the battery had just died, but when I opened the back panel, I realized it wasn't battery operated at all. It was a mechanical clock, and I had accidentally tried to wind it the wrong way, and one of the internal gears got jammed. And since it was an antique piece, I didn't want to risk taking it to just any repair shop. So I looked around and finally found a clockmaker who specializes in vintage timepieces. His workshop was like stepping back in time, filled with cuckoo clocks, grandfather clocks, and tools that I couldn't even name. He carefully opened the clock, cleaned and repaired the internal mechanism, and even polished the wood, restoring its original shine. When I brought it back home and hung it up again, it felt like I had revived a piece of family history. Hearing that soft, rhythmic ticking sound again was oddly comforting. It had reminded me of my childhood and all the quiet evenings we spent under that very clock. So for me, it's more than just a repair. It felt like we'd brought a small piece of the past back to life.